students, now we discuss about the how to draw the graph for the linear equations. For example, we take one of the simultaneous linear equations. There are two linear equations, x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. These are the two linear equations. Already you learn about how to draw the graph for the one linear equations. Already learn about this in 8th standard. Now we draw a graph for the two linear equations. There are two straight lines are formed. Therefore, we take first one, x minus 2y is equal to 0. X minus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore, the x value, y value. When put x is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is 2y. Therefore, 2 ones are 2. Therefore, the value of x is 2. The value of y is 1. Therefore, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. X is 2. The corresponding y value is 1. Or x is equal to, it can be minus 2y can be shifted to right side. X is equal to 2y. When we put y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. When put y is equal to 2, the value of x is 2 2s are 4. Y value is 3. When we substitute the value of y is equal to 3, we get x is equal to 3 2s are 6. These are the corresponding x and y values. 2 1 4 2 6 3. 4 2 6 3. These are the values for first equation. This can be locate these points in a graph x comma y. Therefore, 2 1 4 2 and 6 3. 2 1, 2 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. When we join this, we get the point 2 comma 1. Similarly, when we take 4 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis, when we join these two, we get 4 comma 2. 6 comma 3. Join these two, we get 6 comma 3. By joining these three values, we get a straight line. These three, we get a straight line. Okay, this is one of the straight line. By using scale, to draw the straight line. Next, similarly, we take another linear equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. We can draw a table. What is the value of x corresponding y value calculated? By using this equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Minus 20 can be shifted to right side. You get 20. 4y. 20 is a multiple of 4. 4 5s are 20. Therefore, for already 20 is obtained. Therefore, this must be 0. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 5s are 20. We get 20. Therefore, the value of x is 0. The value of y is 5. The another value. 20 means 4 2s are 8. 8. The remaining is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Therefore, 3 4s are 12. The another for x and y value are 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 12 plus 8 is 20. Therefore, the value of x is 4. The value of y is 2. Therefore, 4 comma 2. This is another y value. We draw a straight line for the equation we consist only two values. When we get only two values, we draw a straight line for the equation. Therefore, there are two values 0, 5 and 4, 2. 0 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. Okay, this is the 0, 5. The another is 4, 2 is in this already drawn. Already locate the point. When we draw a straight line for 4, 2 and 0, 5, these two lines intersect at one point. These two lines intersect at one point. Therefore, the 4 and 2, the value of x is 4, the value of y is 2. These are the solution for the given simultaneous linear equation. Therefore, the value of x is 4, the value of y is 2 is the solution. In this way, we solve the linear equations by using graphically. Similarly, we take another two equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. We draw similarly, we draw the linear equations for graphically. Therefore, x and y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, 3 is a 9 plus 0 means 2 zeros are 0. Therefore, the value of x is 0. The value of y is 3. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Similarly, 3 ones are 3 plus remaining is 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Therefore, the value of x is 3. The value of y is 1. These are the 2 points 0, 3 and 3, 1. We draw the straight line for the 2 points. We get the 0, 3 means 0 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. This is a point 0, 3. And 3, 1 means 3 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. Therefore, by joining these two, we get 3, 1 point. These are the 2 points. We draw the line for the 2 lines, 2 points and extend it. This is a equation for, and this is a straight line for the first equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Okay, we draw another graph for another line. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. 18 is a perfect multiple of 6. Therefore, 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 0, we get 18. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are plus 6 3s are. Therefore, the value of x is 0. The value of y is 3. 0, 3 is one of the point. The another point is 12 plus 6 is also 18. Therefore, 6 1s are 6. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, is equal to 18. 12 plus 6 is also 18. Therefore, the value of x is 3. The value of y is 1. 0, 3 and 3, 1. Already we draw the line for first equation. This is same as 4x plus 6y is equal to 18 equation also. Therefore, the two lines are coincide each other. This is a equation. This is a straight line for first equation, and also this is a straight line for the another equation. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Okay. Therefore, there is a infinite solutions. Okay. This is 3 1 is also one of the solution. 0, 3 is one of the solution. The remaining points, all the points are the solution for this case. Therefore, the two lines are coincide with each other. Coincide with each other. Therefore it has infinitely many solutions. When the two lines intersect at one point, we get only one solution. When the two lines intersect at a point, intersect at each other. ಎರಡೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. x plus 2y is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Therefore 0 and 2 are the one of the x and y values. Another one is 2 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 2 4. Therefore the value of x is 2, the value of y is 1. This is also one of the solution. 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2, this is a 0 comma 2. 2 comma 1 means 2 on x axis, 1 on y axis. This is 2 comma 1. By joining these 2 points, we get a one of the straight line. This is a equation for graphical representation for first equation, x minus 2x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 equation. We draw the graph for another equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 12. X and y value. 12 is a multiple of 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 0. 2 6 are 12 plus 0. Therefore the value of x is 0, the value of y is 3. The value of x is 6, the value of y is 0. These are the 2 points. 0 comma 3 and 6 comma 0. This is another line equation. When we draw a line for these 2 points, we get like this. We observe these 2 lines. This is a equation for 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 equation. Therefore when we observe these 2 lines, these 2 are parallel to each other. These 2 lines does not intersect at any point. Therefore these 2 lines are parallel to each other. When the 2 lines parallel to each other, then there is no solution. We get there is no solution. There is no solution. These are the 3 cases for in drawing the graph for simultaneous linear equations. When we observe these 3 cases, we conclude that x minus, these are the 3 equations. When we find the ratios of a1 and a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, means all the linear equations are in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore the first equation we take a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. The second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The constants can be taken as a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. When we find the a1 by a2, a1 is the coefficient of x is 1, the coefficient of x is 3 in second case. Therefore 1 by 3. In the second, minus 2 by 4. c1 by c2 means there is no c1, 0. c2 is minus 20. Therefore is equal to 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are means minus 1 by 2. When we observe these three ratios, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by 2, is not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, is not equal to c1 by c2. Then these two lines are a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2. These two lines, when we draw the graph for these two lines, these two lines intersect at one point. Therefore, these two lines intersect at one point. Therefore, it has only one solution. These two lines intersect each other at one point, and it has only one solution. It is known as unique solution. It has unique solution or only one solution. Only one is written as unique solution. In this case, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The two lines intersect at each other. Then it has only one solution or unique solution. This is one of the property for linear equations in two variables. The second case, when we draw the graph for 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x minus plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0, we draw the graph for these two lines, we get these two lines are coincide with each other. It has infinitely many solutions. In this way, we find the ratios a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are 9 by 18 minus 9 by minus 18, 1 by 2, minus cancel, 1 by 2. When we observe these three ratios, we get a1 by a2 ratio is equal to b1 by b2 ratio is equal to c1 by c2. When the three ratios are equal, then these two lines coincide with each other. It has infinitely many solutions. The next one, we draw a graph for these two lines. Already we draw the graph for these two lines. We observe that these two lines are parallel to each other. It has no solution. When we find the ratios for these two lines, a1 by a2 means the coefficient of x is 1, 1 by 2. Thus b1 by b2 is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. The third one, minus 4 by minus 12. Minus cancel, 4 1s are 4 3s. When we observe these three ratios, the first and second ratios are equal, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. When this will get, we know that we observe these two lines. When the ratios of first one and second ratios are equal, the third one is not equal, then we conclude that these two lines must be parallel to each other, and there is no solution. There is no solution. These are the three main properties belongs to linear equations in two variables. Okay, dear students.